How to add a bio on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a bio on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And here on your profile page, just tap on public profile button. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the edit icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the next page where you will see your profile information. So here, just below your profile information, there you'll see the option that says tap to add bio. So simply tap on it. And after that, you can simply type the bio that you want to show on profile. And here, once you're done writing your bio, you can just go back to save your changes, and there in your profile, as you can see, the bio has been added. And that's it. That's how you can add a bio on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.